Hi friends, welcome to Recruitment Marketing Workshop. I'm Yogesh, your talent acquisition and employer branding coach at Recruit. It's such a pleasure to have you here, and I want to thank you that you have decided to invest your time in such an important topic that may change your course of career in future. As you can see, I have also mentioned this program as something that will be a future of work, something that will define how talent acquisition will gonna function 10 years from now. And this is what you are learning today. But before I take you through the journey, what I'll cover in this program, I also want to tell you this program, when I was designing it from the talent acquisition and human resource point of view. So you could be a talent acquisition professional, you could be a CHRO, you could be a head of talent acquisition, or you could be an HR VP, or you may be a recruitment executive or a fresh HR executive who just came out of college. It really doesn't matter what kind of experience you have in the past. Certainly this will going to add value. But the way I have designed this program, you would really be able to implement whatever you learn here tomorrow back to your company. If you're a fresher, you're not working anywhere, this is an important piece to learn, because when you will go to the program, you'll bring in a very important proposition on the table, and I'm sure your next employers will gonna like this. So when I speak about this program, recruitment marketing is something that will help us attract the talent, acquire the talent, and also retain the talent. So now let me take you through with a journey what we're going to cover in this program, and I'm sure you'll find it interesting, and more importantly you'll find it useful. And as I mentioned, this is the future of work, and you will realize it once you start going through with each lecture. But now let me just introduce you with the key pillars and concept on which this program stands on. So recruitment marketing is typically based on talent. So this is a target audience, and it could be an internal, your employee internal audience. It could be an external audience, applicants, talent which is available in the market, or your alumni. Second thing is talent acquisition strategies. So how recruitment marketing can help us acquire talent. Friends, I've been telling you this. I've told you this before, and I always say this in my all workshops and intervention, that let's not do anything which is a theory. Whatever we're going to learn here, we're going to apply tomorrow, right? So some recruitment marketing is directly related to talent acquisition, right? So if we are not doing anything which will not going to help us acquire right talent or retain right talent or engage with the talent, there's no point even doing that stuff. Okay, so so this is important, and that's why we have this as one of the pillar. Then talent attraction, this is another important area, and we'll figure out how in various ways we can do this. Tools, we have various AI tools, social media management tools, those who help us support our initiatives in recruitment marketing, branding, how we can build our brand, what are the things that we can do even as an individual to strengthen our brand and pick up the positives of our brand and take it to the target audience. So I've already defined the target audience here, and also the analytics. So friends, we don't do anything unless we really have right data to support. Okay, so this is very true even even when we take few very small decisions, right? Because nowadays the way we are doing things, we really capture a lot of data, and we capture data at various entry points and exit points when we are interacting with the talent. So talent analytics are very, very important, and we will see how it really helps us in doing things effectively. Okay, so let me also give you a little detailed view here, like what we're gonna do under these headings. One is that we'll look at various engagement areas to work with the talent, which includes content and advocacy also. So advocacy is a very important lecture, and that you should not miss. It doesn't matter if you're a recruiter, you are a HR BP, you are a marketing professional. Advocacy today is one of the most important tool of marketing, right? Nowadays, if I am an employer, I'm a brand, I say I am good, nobody believes me. But if you say that Yogesh is a great trainer, or he is one of the best employer branding consultant to somebody else, they'll believe it more than when I say the same thing. So when somebody speaks on behalf of you, when they advocate behalf on you, behalf of you, I think that creates an everlasting impact. And employee advocacy is one of the important tools we use to acquire a talent, to build our brand, and also to take our brand to the next level. So we will going to learn about it, how we can do it. We will also learn about employee value proposition. We'll look at how we can use the right job descriptions to acquire right talent, job title, how it should be defined, how we can get diverse candidates with the right kind of job description, and also how we can post jobs to be more effective, to get better talent, and to get better talent to come and apply to our platforms. Like majority of the content today across the world is video, and so how we can really use video JDs to be able to spread our word and get better better quality applications. And then yes, social media, how we can use social media to attract right kind of talent. Then we can use tools that can help us manage a social media, because today social media is not just about Facebook or Instagram. Now we are dealing with multiple platforms, and tools can really come very handy for us to be able to deliver. Then hashtags, I think we all know what it is. Then keywords for to make our job description, job posting, whatever the content we create searchable. Then yes, branding. So branding today is not just about me, right? This is about our presence and visibility of our brand on various platforms, and we will learn about it, like what we can do around it. Then digital campaigns. So as a recruiter, what you can do, how you can run various digital campaigns to take your word out. And then we will look at policies. So I think this is important, because unless we have right policies, it's very difficult to manage your risk. And that's where this area will gonna help you. And you can really help your organization by framing right kind of policies, communication policy, social media policy around recruitment marketing initiatives. And we will also look at analytics. As I said, that we do, I think if you have attended my other trainings, you'll always heard me saying, like, I do not open my mouth unless I have right data with me. So analytics are very important, and they are available everywhere. And important is how you can bring it together and draw a conclusion. And we'll see how we can bring right kind of insights to help us in various recruitment marketing initiatives, and also to measure what we do. So this is important, right? So there's nothing, nobody will going to support us. Our management will not going to support our initiatives unless they really know what is the return on investments, what is an ROI, and where were we 6 months back or 1 year back, where are we today, and where are we going tomorrow. So unless we have all these details, we will never get successful in whatever we do. So measuring our initiative is very, very important. And I would also like to give you a little detail here on EVP also, what we're going to do here. We'll also try to find it and live it. It means we will try to find our employee value proposition if you don't have any. Because for a recruiter, I must tell you, even though sometimes there are organizations, they build the EVP and they give it to the recruiters. But EVP is a very is something that changes every day, depending on the value proposition that organization offer in different circumstances, different timings. So EVP is something that changes every day, and how as a recruiter they can understand what EVP is and bring it down to their recruitment pitch. Okay, so friends, we should never forget that this program is all about recruitment marketing. So as I said, that I've created this program with you in mind, and I want you to perform in your area of expertise. It could be a talent acquisition, it could be human resource business partner, or you could be a CHRO, or you could be an employer branding professional. Each lecture here focus on something that you can deliver tomorrow. So I'm sure that you will gonna love this program. You will gonna learn from this program, and you will implement this program in whatever you do. So I really appreciate again that you took time to be here, and I'm sure that this journey that we are starting today will gonna take you to great success ahead. So all the best, and have a great journey.